Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn first lesson of English from book 2, that is Finding Friday. The name of lesson is Finding Friday. We start with the lesson. Robinson Crusoe was a sailor. One day there was a terrible storm and his ship sank. He was thrown onto an island where no one else was living. Crusoe made himself a house to live in with a tall fence to keep the wild animals out. He lived on the island all by himself for many years. He got quite used to being alone. He talked to his parrot and his dog because there was no one else to talk. So Robinson Crusoe was a sailor. Sailor means a person who sells the ship. शिपवरती जे काम करतात, शिप चालवतात ते सेलर. सो वन डे व्हॉट हॅपन, देर वॉज अ टेरिबल स्टॉर्म. टेरिबल मीन्स एक्स्ट्रीमली बॅड और खूप जास्त असं वादळ आलं. अँड हिज शिप सँक मीन्स बुडाली पाण्यामध्ये. सो ही वॉज थ्रोन ऑन टू ऑन ॲन आयलँड. पाण्याबरोबर तो वाहत वाहत एका आयलँडवरती आला, वेर नो वन एल्स वॉज लिव्हिंग. Crusoe made himself a house to live in with a tall fence to keep the wild animals out. So he made one house for himself to live there. He lived on that island all by himself for many years. तो एकटाच राहिला for many years. He got quite used to being alone. He was talking with the parrot and his dog because there was no one else to talk. त्याला बोलण्यासाठी कोण नसल्यामुळे ही वॉज टॉकिंग विथ द पॅरेट अँड डॉग. नाव विल सी ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. One day he was out walking on the beach when he saw a footprint. The footprint of a man. It could not be his own footprint because this one was so much larger. Who could this be? Crusoe was amazed. He had been on the island for many years and had never seen another human being there. He was also little afraid what sort of person was this man. Now Crusoe was living alone on that island, but still he saw some footprint. Footprint means पायाचे ठसे of a man. So he was quite amazed. Amazed means he was surprised. आश्चर्य वाटत होते की whose footprint are this? And he was also quite afraid. त्याला भीती पण वाटली की कोण असेल, because he was alone living there on the island. For many days he saw no one. Then one day he saw some smoke from a fire was coming from the beach. Slowly, without making a sound, Crusoe crept in the beach. There he saw a frightening sight. There was a group of about 8 to 9 people around a fire. They looked wild and frightening. Near them, lying on the sand with their feet and hands tied, were two men. As Crusoe looked from his hiding place, they killed one of them. So what happened? There was some fire he saw coming from the beach. So without making a sound, Crusoe crept. Crept means moved quietly and carefully. हळूच गेला तो. There he saw frightening sight. Frightening म्हणजे making one feel afraid. There was a group of 8 to 9 people around a fire. They looked wild and frightening. आणि त्यांच्याजवळ there were two men whose hand and feet were tied with the rope. As Crusoe looked from his hiding place, they killed one of them. The other prisoner somehow managed to cut the ropes around his feet and hands, and he started to run. The wild men chased him. Crusoe had his gun with him and he fired a shot at them. These men had never seen or heard a gun before. They were so frightened that they turned and ran off to their boats, got in and rowed away. The man who had been saved was the first frightened of Robinson Crusoe too. He thought that Crusoe would kill him, but Crusoe took him home and gave him food and clothes and looked after him. He called him Friday because he had found him on a Friday. Soon Friday became Crusoe's friend. Crusoe taught him to speak English too. Now he had someone to talk apart from the parrot and the dog. Now, what happened when the Crusoe saw them? The other prisoner, त्या दोन माणसांमधला एक माणूस पळाला. He tried to cut off the ropes and he ran away. And that wild men were following them. Chased him means त्यांच्या मागे पकडायसाठी ते पण पळाले त्याच्या मागे. Now Crusoe was a sailor, so he was having gun with him. So he shot the gun. The men had never seen or heard a gun. त्यांनी कधी गन बघितली नव्हती. The wild, because they were jungly, so they have not seen such type of things. So they were frightened and they also ran away from there. They went into the boat and they ran away. The man who had been saved, he was first frightened of Robinson. He was thinking that he will kill me also. But Crusoe took him home. त्यांनी घरी घेऊन गेला and he gave food and clothes to him. They become friends. And he started speaking English also with Crusoe, and he called him Friday because he was found on the Friday, so he named that person as a Friday. So name of the lesson is given as Finding Friday. So this was the story about the Finding Friday. I hope you understood. So we will stop here. Thank you.